Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas, Day 9. Sinbono was founded in 2020 by a visionary designer named Barry from New York. Passionate about sustainability, he witnessed the environmental impact of fast fashion and mass production. Determined to make a difference, Barry embarked on a mission to redefine fashion accessories, giving rise to a new era of sustainable luxury. The Sinbono was born. Their bags are crafted from reclaimed fruit peels, the apple leather, and recycled plastic bottles, promoting a healthy environment. Drawing inspiration from the vibrant landscapes and diverse cultures of New York City, Barry introduced the Vienna Collection, a line of impeccably crafted sustainable bags that seamlessly blend style with environmental consciousness. Now, I'll share with you what's inside my Sinbono Vienna top handle bag. Here are the things that I have inside. Let's start. The first thing I can see is this one. This is my new catch-all. This is from Primark, and I really love the color of this one, like a rose gold color. And I have things inside. I'll show you. I have Ever Belena All Day Bro Pen. I have here Antacid. And then I have another one. This is a small 1,000 Wishes by Bath and Body Works. This smells so beautiful. I love this. I have KJM Cheek and Lip Tint, the Bittersweet Magenta. Of course, I have here some emergency medicines. Dear Self Beauty, Nati. This is also one of my favorite tints from Dear Self Beauty because it matches the color of my skin. Then I have here a hair tie, plastic for my garbage in case I need it. This is my thermometer, thin thermometer, and I have here the pin for my SIM. This is the medallion of my angel, Saint Raphael. And I also have a new one. This is the medallion of Jesus of Nazarene. And I think this is at the same size as the O case of Chanel, an affordable luxury bag alternative that doesn't have any brand and it's very affordable. And I have my new key case. This is from Dress Up Your Purse with gold and pink and blue and pink on the front. And I have here my keys. And I also have this cross in my pocket like a rosary. I carry it there. And it helps with the shape so that the shape would not be distorted. I really love it. I have a code in my description box below in case you are interested in getting Dress Up Your Purse SLGs and bags, high quality and genuine leather items. I have a discount code. You may use my code, avail of 15% off from their website. It looks like the Louis Vuitton clay, the size of it, and it's really very pretty. Then I have here foldable thin comb from my Melody pen. My Melody pen, this is just a ballpoint pen, and this is from Daiso. Then I have a Tic Tac. This My Melody is very thin. It's portable. It's so cute, so girly, and this is a foldable mirror. Very handy and very slim. Perfect for my smaller bags. Then I have my new wallet from Victoria's Secret. Their new design. I really love this logo. Looks very luxurious to me. This is giving me like a Louis Vuitton logo. Like a luxurious high-end brand. They did well in their logo. I love that. And the subtle design of the color also looks premium to me. This design, like a faded pink, muted pink. I love this design. I wish to have more of this design from them. Then I have my phone case that is color pink. These are all the things that I have inside my bag, inside my Sinbono Vienna top handle bag. If you're interested in getting Sinbono bags, you may use my code BagLove to avail of a discount on their website, and they have other designs, but this one is my favorite so far, my Vienna top handle bag. And they have a lot of new designs in their website and new colors available for this Vienna top handle. This has been day 9 from my 12 days of Christmas. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please join me again tomorrow for my day 10.